Look at there, YouTube. Check out this old Cobra Dynamite Plus here. I'm assuming this has to be pretty old. I picked it up with those couple radios I got yesterday, and it's got them seven. What is it? Seven? One, two, five. It's got them 5 little watch batteries in there. Of course, this was an old school Rayovac ones, you know. That was like one battery. But I just went up and got these from Harbor Freight here. And just used 5 of them, put them in there. And now it works. So, testing it, check it out. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Audio, check, 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 check. Hello, come in. And the end was broke off. I just put a, new end on it there. Because here's the old end. It had snapped off. But, yeah, that's cool. Got a good microphone here. I'm just listening to these fellers here on YouTube. Live chat. Dirty Diaper. Old radio night. Just want to show that real quick. Yeah, that's good. It works. I'm happy about that. I need to get this one here working now. I think the element might be bad in that one, because I tried to clean the switch and it just wasn't having it. So it's probably a bad element on that one. That's probably not even worth much, huh? Trucker Platinum Series. But oh well, I'll just throw it in the drawer. Alright folks, thanks for watching.